Hello everyone, welcome back to Amazing TV 254. Today I am going to show you exactly how to make money using ChatGPT. Millions of people around the world use this artificial intelligence tool every single day just to ask questions or write simple jokes. But smart entrepreneurs are using it as a highly efficient business partner to generate consistent income from anywhere in the world. The best part is that you do not need to be a professional programmer or a tech genius to do this. You just need to know how to give ChatGPT the right instructions to create valuable assets that people are willing to pay for. Today, I am breaking down the most practical ways you can turn this AI tool into a real money-making machine. The first major way to earn money with ChatGPT is through freelance copywriting and content writing. Every single business in the world needs written content, including website text, email newsletters, blog posts, and social media captions. However, many business owners simply do not have the time to write these pieces themselves. You can use freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to offer your services as a content creator. When a client hires you, you can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality drafts, outlines, and ideas in a matter of seconds. The trick is to not just copy and paste the raw AI text. You must edit the output, add a human touch, and ensure it matches the unique voice of the brand. By using ChatGPT to speed up your research and drafting phase, you can complete a project that used to take 5 hours in just 30 minutes, allowing you to take on multiple clients and scale your income rapidly. The second highly profitable method is creating and selling digital products, specifically specialized ebooks, guides, and educational toolkits. Think about a niche topic that people are desperate to learn about, like a beginner's guide to digital marketing, a collection of healthy meal prep recipes, or a manual on how to pass specific professional exams. You can use ChatGPT to help you outline the entire book chapter by chapter, write the detailed content, and even generate marketing descriptions for your online storefront. Once the text is complete, you can paste it into a free design tool like Canva to make it look professional, and then upload it to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Because it is a digital product, you create it exactly once, and it can sell automatically to customers worldwide while you sleep, giving you a completely passive stream of income. Another incredible avenue is offering translation and language localization services. Because ChatGPT is trained on massive global datasets, it understands multiple languages with incredible nuance, grammar, and cultural context, far better than traditional, rigid translation tools. You can find international businesses that want to translate their product manuals, marketing materials, or websites into different languages to reach new global audiences. By utilizing ChatGPT, you can translate large bodies of text instantly and accurately. All you need to do is carefully proofread the final translation to ensure perfect flow, allowing you to deliver professional-grade translation work to global clients at lightning speed. Finally, you can make money by becoming a prompt engineer or building custom versions of ChatGPT for specific businesses. Many companies want to use artificial intelligence to automate their customer service or train their internal staff, but they do not know how to write the correct instructions to get accurate results from the AI. You can learn the skill of prompt engineering, which simply means learning how to write highly specific commands that guide the AI perfectly. You can build tailored assistants for local businesses, like an AI real estate assistant that drafts property descriptions or a customer service bot for an online store. Businesses will gladly pay you a premium fee to set up these automated systems because it saves them hundreds of hours of manual labor. The opportunities to make money with ChatGPT are virtually endless, but the people who actually succeed are the ones who take immediate action and apply a high standard of quality to their work. Do not just expect the AI to do 100% of the work for you. Use it as a powerful engine to boost your own productivity and creativity. Which of these AI business strategies are you going to try out first? Drop a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button for more practical ways to build your wealth right here on Amazing TV 254, and I will see you all in the next video.